Food and beverage manufacturers are facing new challenges on a daily basis. As powerful retailers, regulatory requirements and consumers apply increasing pressure on the business, you, as an implementer, are also concerned with helping your company, growing market share and profit margins. If you could increase your OEE by just 1%, how much profit would that be worth to your company? With legacy and disparate systems and ever-changing reporting requirements, how do you stay on top of your game without spending all your team's efforts in engineering the application? Is your data really meaningful? The Iconix Genesis 32 software is easy to use. DataWorks 32 is a very understated component with a great deal of power. The graphics that could be created in GraphWorks are outstanding. Do you have really special requirements? And need to collect data, visualize and report in real time? This is where Iconix can help you. At Iconix, we are not afraid of the unusual.